I'm Dale.
And I'm Linda.
And what are we gonna be doing today, Linda?
Making spooky, scary cookies.
This is my lovely wife. We love each other very much.
Yeah, very much.
Damn it, Linda, I already told you what we're doing. Sit down.
I don't know how to sit.
Sit! Sit, Linda.
Okay.
Sit.
Okay, don't beat me again.
Okay. Eyeball sugar cookie kit. This is the mix that comes in it. Ugh.
You spilled some.
Shut up!
I have to clean that up, not you.
Yes, you will clean it later.
I know.
Okay, so now we're gonna take this cookie mix that I took out that box, and I'm gonna put it in this bowl like this. Okay.
Don't do any butter.
Okay. Well, it says to use 3 tablespoons, so what are we gonna do?
I think that this looks about 3 tablespoons to me, so we'll just put that down.
Oh,
there.
wait, it's supposed to be melted first.
I don't see the issue. It'll melt in the oven.
Oh, yeah, that's true. It will melt in the oven. You know what? It's fine. Just crush it with your hands or something. What, Linda? You don't like seeing me get my hands all greasy in this butter?
No, it looks very good.
You don't like this butter. You don't like this butter.
I'm not scared for my life.
See, it's melted now.
You call me Butterfingers.
And then, Susie needs an egg, but I don't think one egg's enough. Me too, we have to have a friend. So,
Give me the eggs! My hands are all slippery because I'm Butterfingers. Now, crack it like this. And now you're just going to take the egg and plop it in there. What are you doing, Linda? Put that in there too. We need the nutrients.
I got my extra protein.
All right, now you're gonna mix it up real good. Look at that nice mix. Here, Linda, grab the bowl. Grab the bowl, Linda. Pick the bowl up. Move it down, Linda. Move it down just like that so they can see what we're doing here. You're
You
just
really gotta
mixing
put
it.
your hands in there. Get nice and dirty with it. It adds the flavor.
Now, Linda, I done told you hold that pan up so they can see.
Okay.
All right, guys. So now that we got this dough all mixed up real nice, and we got them eggshells in
We
there.
gotta make balls.
Yeah.
Put your balls in my pan.
Linda likes saying that.
Yeah, I love it when your balls are on me.
Okay, so you're just gonna take little chunks like this and just put it in separate spots on the pan.
Okay, but you're the one that fucks the horses.
Bitch, that ain't got nothing to do with what we're talking about.
Well, if you're gonna call me out for fucking chickens, I'm gonna call you out for fucking horses. Their dicks are bigger.
Oven, Linda. Are the cookies in the oven?
Yeah. Cookies are in the oven, guys. See you when they're done.
Guys, Dale and Linda back at you. Our cookies are done. Let's get a close look at that.
Here you guys go. If you look, all throughout it, you can see like eggshells here and here. And all through this one. This one's really good looking.
Now we're going to decorate these cookies.
Gotta make them look pretty.
So we're going to put them on some paper towel right here.
Pick which one you want.
I want this one with extra shells. I like all the eggshells on mine. We got this edible glitter gel. And we got eyeballs.
This one doesn't make this cup all the way. Quit playing with it. Rip into it.
You're scaring me, Linda. You get too excited over this thing. Okay, we gotta use some of
You
this.
gotta lick the bottom of it.
I call this blood. Put this right here. Put it right there, just like this. This is how you're gonna make a scary cookie. You're gonna put it in the middle. Now you're gonna make little veins like this. I like to put them on the shells. This is an eyeball. See, I got veins on it. Mine's gonna be better than Linda's.
No, I'll make a special spooky cat. Big review.
Ah, nice,
It's
Linda,
a spooky,
nice.
scary cat, guys.
This is my eyeball.
Yours looks like a cyclops.
Mine's better. Comment below who won our
I
cookie
think I won.
contest.
Is it?
Can you fucking stop, Linda?
No, it was! Where's the fucking gun? Where's the gun?
That's all for this time. Next time on Bacon with...